Welcome to the Easy Tech Fix It news channel. And well, we one of the things that is interesting with the new Apple M1 processor is and it actually shows is the compatibility of software that they actually have not really talked about at all. And this is another side of M1 that could be a big surprise for some. So what's happening is there's, of course, probably some kind of emulation, but there's some stuff in there that they haven't talked that could be a big surprise for some Mac users. Already, we are hearing that some Mac users are kind of, wondering what this is going to bring, because they still remember the transition from PowerPC to Intel and the loss of compatibility of software they were using. Some of them, expensive software. And also, there was that side of there was an emulation that was done back then that eventually, Apple stopped supporting. So we're wondering, well, will that transition here do the same with the software? Because they haven't talked about anything. And one particular example is some are bringing, what about drivers? If I have a printer, my printer has a driver for Mac, but does it support, or does the printer driver work with the M1 chip? There's a good chance that no, it will not, because it's not the same code. So there's all sorts of little questions like this that we're wondering, how is it exactly going to work? And that's why we're waiting for a lot of people to kind of give us an idea of, what this is all about in real world situations. And I would express that if you are thinking of purchasing a Mac, or of maybe upgrading your existing Mac computer, possibly to wait to see how all of this goes, or simply go to an Intel Mac and avoid the M1 for now. There's too many unanswered questions, and like some have mentioned, that 45-minute presentation of Apple was much more of a publicity stunt than a real-world event, basically. And we learned nothing on this in this Apple event, really. So we'll see as things arrive, but I think it's time to maybe just hold on and wait a little bit before jumping on that M1 Mac line of computers. If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.